Hi. It's Tuesday, 10th of November 2020, and the time is 6:35, 18:35. It's my second and last meal of the day. I've had some fried rice earlier, a couple of hours ago, and I'm now having some steamed vegetables. I'm trying to finish it before nightfall. I have three vegetables here. I have 3 florets of broccoli, which I've quartered. I have a quarter of a zucchini, which I've sliced and then what do you call it, cut further so that they're smaller. I didn't slice them too thin because I didn't want them to be too soft, so they're nice and firm but cooked. And the other thing is 8 slices of carrot, which I've cut into 4. So I've got these pieces of carrots, like that. And then for garnishing, I've got my usual scallion and chives and fried shallots. For the VMS sauce, I have the leftover from yesterday, and I added some more Chinese black vinegar and soy sauce and mirin, and I had a taste and it's perfect. And then I added I smashed 3 cloves of garlic in here as usual, and then after 10 minutes and all the Allicin whatever garlic chemistry has taken place, I put it in here together with the sauce from yesterday and added the new sauce. And I've also added 2 fresh shallots. I used 2 because they were quite big. Usually they're quite small, but I went to Siggy Fresh today, and these are the shallots, so they're quite big. The older ones earlier were quite small, so you can see, the new ones are the big ones and the old ones are the small ones. They didn't have any rose onions, so I think rose onions are seasonal, or there's a difficulty importing them from India where they're grown because of the lockdown, movement control order or whatever. So anyway, I stirred it up, I gave it a taste, and it's really wonderful. The zucchini, which I haven't had in a long time because it wasn't on sale, but the Kedai Runcit Bangla had the zucchini. They were 5 ringgit a kilo, so they were quite nice. So I got those, and they go very well with the broccoli. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my dinner now. See you next time. See ya. Bye.